step into the 2008 Chrysler Sebring Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4-speed AT, front reading lamps, rear defrost, floor mats, cruise control, front side airbag, and front head airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.